If you've ever watched a college football game and heard people talk about spreads, money lines, parlays, or odds and felt completely lost, you're not alone. Sports betting can look confusing at first, especially on platforms like DraftKings Sportsbook, but once you understand the basics, it becomes a lot clearer. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how college football betting works on DraftKings in a simple, beginner-friendly way, so you can understand what people are talking about when they say things like, "I'm taking the underdog with the points," or "I hit a parlay last night." First things first, DraftKings Sportsbook is an online platform where users can place wagers on sports events, including college football games. These games usually involve NCAA teams from across the United States, and every week during the season, there are dozens of matchups you can explore. When you open the DraftKings app or website, you'll see a list of upcoming games, each with different betting options attached to them. The most common type of bet you'll see is called the Moneyline. This is the simplest form of betting. With a Moneyline bet, you are just picking which team will win the game outright. There are no points involved, no spreads, just a straight-up prediction. However, the odds will vary depending on which team is favoured. A strong team might have lower payout odds, while an underdog team might offer a higher payout if they win. That's because the bookmaker adjusts odds based on how likely each team is expected to perform. Next is the point spread, which is where things start to get a little more interesting. The point spread is basically a handicap system used to even out the matchup between two teams. If a strong team is playing a weaker team, the stronger team might be listed as minus 10.5, meaning they need to win by more than 10 points for a bet on them to succeed. The weaker team would be listed as plus 10.5, meaning they can either win the game outright or lose by less than 10 points for a bet on them to win. This makes games more competitive from a betting perspective, even if one team is clearly stronger on paper. Another popular option is the over-under, also known as the total. Instead of betting on who wins, you are betting on the combined total score of both teams. The sportsbook sets a number, for example 55.5 points, and you decide whether the actual total score will be over or under that number. This type of bet is especially popular in college football because games can be unpredictable, with high-scoring offenses or defensive battles changing everything in a matter of minutes. Now let's talk about parlays, which are one of the most talked about features on DraftKings. A parlay is when you combine multiple bets into one single wager. For example, you could pick 3 different college football teams to win, or mix a spread bet, a money line, and an over-under into one ticket. The key thing to understand is that all your picks must be correct for the parlay to win. If even one selection loses, the entire bet loses. However, the upside is much higher payouts because you are taking on more risk. DraftKings also offers live betting, which allows you to place wagers while a game is happening. Odds change in real time based on what's happening on the field. If a favourite team is losing early, their odds might shift, creating different opportunities for bettors to adjust their strategy. This adds a fast-paced element to college football betting, and is one of the reasons many users stay engaged throughout the entire game instead of just watching casually. When you first sign up for DraftKings Sportsbook, you'll typically need to create an account and verify your identity. After that, you can deposit funds into your account using a debit card, bank transfer, or other supported payment methods depending on your region. Once your account is funded, you can browse the college football section and start exploring different games and odds. One important thing to understand is how odds are displayed. DraftKings usually shows odds in American format. For example, you might see plus 150 or minus 120 next to a team or bet. A negative number, like minus 120, means you need to bet a certain amount to win a smaller profit. A positive number, like plus 150, means a smaller bet can return a larger profit if it wins. These numbers help determine how much you stand to gain or lose on each wager. Another key concept is bankroll management. Even though betting can be exciting, it's important to approach it with discipline. Many experienced bettors only risk a small percentage of their total bankroll on a single game. This helps reduce the impact of losses and keeps betting from becoming impulsive or emotional. College football can be unpredictable, and even top-ranked teams lose sometimes, so managing your money carefully is essential. As you explore DraftKings, you'll also notice additional betting markets such as player props and team props. Player props allow you to bet on individual performances, such as how many passing yards a quarterback will throw or how many touchdowns a running back will score. Team props might involve things like total first half points or whether a team will score first in a game. These add more layers to the betting experience beyond just picking winners and losers. There are also futures bets, which are long-term predictions. For college football, this could include betting on which team will win the national championship before the season even ends. Futures bets usually offer higher odds because they are harder to predict, but they also require patience, since you won't know the outcome for weeks or months. One thing beginners often overlook is how important research is before placing any wager. Looking at team performance, injuries, weather conditions, home field advantage, and recent form can all impact the outcome of a game. Even though sportsbooks try to balance odds, there is still a lot of strategy involved in making informed decisions. DraftKings also provides stats, insights, and expert picks within the app, which can help users understand matchups better. However, it's always good to combine that information with your own analysis instead of relying on it completely. As you become more familiar with college football betting, you'll start to notice patterns in how odds move and how sportsbooks react to public betting trends. For example, if a lot of people are betting on one team, the odds might shift to balance the action. Understanding these movements can give you a better feel for how the betting market works. At the end of the day, DraftKings Sportsbook is designed to make sports viewing more interactive, especially for fans who enjoy analysing games and predicting outcomes. But it's important to always approach it responsibly, stay informed, and never bet more than you're comfortable losing. So whether you're just curious about how it works, or you're trying to understand what your friends are talking about during college football season, now you have a solid foundation of how betting on DraftKings actually works. From money lines to spreads, parlays to props, you now understand the basic building blocks that make up the entire system. And once you start recognizing how all these pieces fit together, college football becomes a completely different experience to watch, more strategic, more engaging, and much more layered than just what happens on the field. You now understand the basic building blocks that make up the entire system. And once you start recognizing how all these pieces fit together, college football becomes a completely different experience to watch, more strategic, more engaging, and much more layered than just what happens on the field.